we are going to do is a very similar activity. Try to understand the morphology of Plasmodium falciparum. And Plasmodium vivax is so easy if you remember its morphology, but Plasmodium falciparum can have a series of different morphology. And in fact, some of the Plasmodium falciparum, their morphology is different from continent to another continent. And I have seen some of the Plasmodium falciparum from Sudan. Their morphology is very different to that of morphology I have seen in Sri Lanka. And there are versions of it. Sometimes they identify Sudan version of Plasmodium falciparum and Egyptian version of Plasmodium falciparum. The Egyptian version of Plasmodium falciparum do have kind of band shapes as well. Now today's task is for you to have prepare a Padlet. You will be introduced to the same by facilitators again within the breakout room. You have to prepare your own Padlet wall and try to bring all different sort of morphologies and describe it which is related to Plasmodium falciparum. Am I clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So then let me hand over this to Vimukti. So Vimukti will take over from here.
Okay, sir. So shall I give an introduction before dividing into rooms, sir?
Yes, please, please.
Okay.
Yes.
Today you will be divided into 9 groups, and as we did earlier practicals, a volunteer from the group will be appointed as the leader, and he will be preparing a Padlet wall with the topic of identifying the different morphologies of Plasmodium falciparum. And he will share the link among the group members, and you can use the Zoom chat for that, or else you can use your WhatsApp groups or whatever. And after joining that link, all group members should participate in preparing the Padlet, and you can there you can add anything from the internet, and you can also add some hand drawings also if needed, as needed. And the things you should cover are the different morphologies you will be seeing in a blood film with Plasmodium falciparum infection, and that should include different types of ring stages and the gametocytes. And unlike in the Plasmodium vivax, in falciparum you won't be seeing the Shishon stages commonly. So focus more on those 2 ring stages and the gametocytes, and also include other artifacts you will be finding while browsing about the topic, and include how to differentiate them, and add any other additional information you would like to add about the morphology of Plasmodium falciparum. And please cover the about topics, that is the ring stages and gametocytes, make them the priority. And now I will divide you into 9 groups. After that, continue with that. You will get about 1 hour to complete the Padlet. And there is no issue of repeating the same thing. The thing is that everyone should participate in the Padlet. That will be used to mark your attendance. Are there any questions up to that? Is everything clear?
MD number 5324, you have added a photo of, you have mentioned as 4 species of gametophytes. And can you describe a little bit about those 4 pictures? Give some reasons to support your answer. Others also somehow put only the MD number without a comment. So you can add something. Others can also add if it is whatever comes to your mind with the picture, you can add a comment. Gayatri, I have sent the email address in your chat box. So once you finish with the activity, you can save that PDF and send to that email address, right? Okay.
Yeah, I'll do that. Okay. Okay, is it the time? Is the time over? It's 3:35.
Okay. We'll get some another few minutes, but actually I don't know about this. When will your activity will be finished? And you have to send that email before 10 o'clock. Okay?
Sorry? Before we end the practical, I have to send it?
No. Once you have finished the Padlet, I will tell you the finishing time. And
Okay.
after this, before 5 p.m., you have to send it to the email.
Okay.
Okay, the group leader, the I think Chai 3, no? So, save this as a PDF, and I think we will return to the main session. So, please check your MD numbers, and I think that is the end of the activity. Have everyone put at least one answer? So otherwise, we will lose the attendance.
Hello, can you all hear me? Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, we can hear.
Yes.
The group leaders have to download the Padlet as a PDF and send it to the email address which was given earlier as headparasitology@med.ruh.ac.lk, and share your link with the facilitators also. It will be easy, and email that before 5 p.m. today. And if you have any other edits to do to the Padlet, you can do until that time. And if there is any problem regarding the morphology of Falciparum malaria, you can inquire about that during the next practical. Channa sir would be there for the next practical. And is there anything else you want to know? Okay, then I will end this meeting now. Thank you for participating.